Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a circle in Photoshop CS6. Let's begin. You can use any version. First of all, create a new layer. Then right click on your mouse. Select ellipse tool. Okay. Then shape. First of all, use shape fill and stroke with hold shift, then drag on your mouse. Circle on. Again, create a new layer without fill. Hold shift, increase the stroke size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Remove stroke.